Okay, I'm on the analysis server, Delta instance, and 9925 version. I'm going to go to Pipeline Manager. I don't know why this screen shows up like this and then it defaults to something different. That's a problem. So now Division Fleet Solutions. I guess this stays up so we can select multiple divisions, but it's a nuisance. Portfolio, engineering. I have to click outside of that for that to disappear. I'm going to apply this. These are not large projects. This should pull in quite quickly, but it's taking quite a bit of time. Okay, once I get this rendering of the view, I'm just going to minimize new projects down here. Now, this is a pretty condensed view, so I want to make it wider, so I'll try to zoom out. I just clicked on that, and it's taking just about forever to open up. Once it does, it opens up way over here. I have no bar that I can, I have a bar, but it's so tiny I can't, moving it just a fraction moves everything off the screen. So unless I have a touch screen where I can, which I don't, this is a secondary screen for me, so I'm kind of stuck trying to get this thing to show up in the middle somewhere. Even clicking here does a little bit better, but it's pretty bad. Now, moving things up and down in priority, so grabbing a task here, I have to hold it quite a while to get it to move, and then click down here. It takes a long time to get there for one thing. Once it gets there, it springs back to the previous view, which is horrible. Now I got to try to bring it back over here and remember where I was, and then bring the next couple of projects down. Yeah, if I don't hold it very long, I gotta. Alright, now I'm holding, and now I'm moving. So that's almost what I need to do whenever I'm moving an object, and it bounces back over here. So extremely frustrating to use. This is actually a lot faster than the IE is working on the current Delta server, and the current Delta server is quite bad. Let me open up the current Delta server. We're going to open up Delta server. I'm going to close this other window so we're not messed up with that. Current Delta server, Pipeline Manager. I'm in Chrome right now. We're going to go to Fleet Solutions. Got to click off Engineering. Got to click off Apply. So quite a while to load the projects. In the same scenario, if I want to make this wider, I clicked it and it's just waiting. Finally it opens it up, moves it way over here. I have the same problem down here. It looks like it's moving a little bit at a time, and I click again and poof, all the way to the left hand side. So now I have to kind of try to move it back. Yeah. I can't even get it to center on my screen. And now I'm moving these, holding, it won't move it. Holding. Finally it moves it after about 3 or 4 seconds of holding, and it takes even longer for it to move, and it's of course jutting back out to the right. Now if I close this and open it in IE, if I can find IE here we go. IE, and I'm going to go to Analysis and CTMR. I want to go to Delta, and I need to do something else here. Sorry. Delta. Hold on one second. Okay, Delta. I don't have all my passwords memorized, so here we go. Alright, so this is on IE. Pipeline Manager. And this is IE on the, this is analysis. Should have went to IE on, click off, portfolio engineering, apply. I didn't time this, but taking even longer to load the projects. And I've got a little, square bar. It looks a little better than in Chrome, but still opening this up. I click the button, now I'm waiting. And finally it opens up off to the right hand side there. Trying to move it over to the right. It tells me, long running script. Okay. It won't move. So customer is trying to use this. Well, there finally, yeah. So you see my dilemma. Yeah. Oh. Okay. I'll do one more thing. Is opening up an IE analysis. Or excuse me, Delta server. 1 second. Delta. Okay. Going to the Delta server. Alright, we're there. Pipeline Manager. Again, this is IE on the actual Delta server. Fleet Solutions, Engineering. Waiting. There's no other traffic on the server. It's 6 p.m. over there. Okay. Expanding. Yeah. Finally it finishes expanding, and I think I'm clicking here, but it's not responding. Still waiting on something to finish. Okay, finally, again, I can't move this into a window that seems usable. It's very difficult. Finally, kind of got it there. 1, 2, 3. Nope, won't move. 1, 2, 3. It's moving. Now taking a very, very long time to reposition. And once it repositions, the rest of the view is out to the right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you've got to click on it, and now there's a long running script. So yeah, I think you can see the issues that I have here. Okay.